Welcome back to News USA. It is Friday, December 11th, 2020, and we have an update on the lawsuit filed by Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton. Now, let's backtrack a little bit. Earlier this week, Attorney General Ken Paxton sought to invalidate at least 10 million votes from 4 battleground states: Georgia, Pennsylvania, Michigan, and Wisconsin. All of those states, President Trump did lose. So he wanted to file a lawsuit claiming that there was massive or widespread voter fraud, and that fraud was also a part of laws being changed that shouldn't have been changed to allow votes to be counted when they shouldn't have been counted. Now, once this lawsuit was filed, it gained a lot of traction, and at least 17 other states also filed a brief in the Supreme Court. These states included Alabama, Arkansas, Indiana, Florida, Kansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Montana, just to name a few. So there was a lot of support behind this, and also President Trump got behind this and wanted to join in as well. Now, from the beginning, this seemed kind of far-fetched. We didn't know how it was going to turn out, but it seems that we have a pretty quick answer to their claim, and the Supreme Court has spoken. So let's take a look at this story. The U.S. Supreme Court on Friday brushed aside the lawsuit filed by Texas that sought to overturn Joe Biden's election victory in 4 battleground states. President Donald Trump called the case the big one, and 126 of the 196 Republicans in the House urged the court to take it, but the justices acted quickly to turn it down. Let's take a look at what they had to say. Texas has not demonstrated a judicially cognizable interest in the manner in which another state conducts its election, the court said in a brief unsigned opinion. Justices Clarence Thomas and Samuel Alito, hopefully I'm saying that right, said the court had no authority to refuse a case, filed on its original docket, where one state files to sue another, but they said I guess this meant to say, but they said they would not have granted Texas any other relief and expressed no view on any of the issues raised in the lawsuit. So the ruling was essentially a unanimous rejection of the Texas claims. I was about to say the United of Texas. Of the Texas claims, So there we have it. The Supreme Court has pretty much shut this down already. If you follow the channel, I was expecting to get a response by at least maybe Saturday. I thought this would carry out a little bit longer, but it didn't. We got a response today, Friday, and this is a huge blow. Some people are saying, well, if this doesn't work, then the Electoral College can flip things over. Now, is that possible? Yes, it is possible. But is it probable? No. That there would be enough electors that would flip their votes in favor of President Trump? I doubt that. They all see exactly what's going on as well. They see that all of the courts are rejecting these cases. They see that the Supreme Court is rejecting these things. So that's very unlikely. But we have Monday still coming, so a little bit less than 72 hours before they actually go in there and vote. Hey, it's been a crazy year. We've seen the impossible happen. Who knows? I would like to see that the Constitution be followed if everything is fair and everything is correct. And the electors should do what the people have voted for, what the people have spoken in those states. So they should probably follow the people. Otherwise, we can go into a very, very dark period here in the U.S. And I would hate to see that. But that's about it. We do have an answer. The Supreme Court has shut this case down coming out of Texas. We'll just have to wait and see what happens next. I'm pretty sure some things will be breaking soon in the near future, and we'll be here to talk about it. Like I said, I appreciate everybody who stops by. Thank you for the support. Stay tuned to News USA.